The name toucan comes from the Tupi word tukna, which means large bill or big bird. Toucans are known for their large, colorful bills, which can be up to half the length of their bodies. Despite their size, toucan bills are surprisingly lightweight due to their hollow structure. Toucans use their bills to regulate their body temperature by increasing blood flow to the bill when they need to cool down. The bill of a toucan is serrated, which helps them grip and manipulate food. Toucans are found in Central and South America, ranging from southern Mexico to northern Argentina. Toucans are primarily found in tropical rainforests but can also be found in savannas, shrublands, and montane forests. Toucans are arboreal, meaning they spend most of their time in trees. Despite their large bills, toucans are surprisingly agile flyers. Toucans have short, rounded wings, which are well suited for maneuvering through dense forest canopies. Toucans have zygodactyl feet, meaning 2 toes face forward, and 2 toes face backward, which helps them grip onto branches. The most famous species of toucan is the Toco toucan, known for its distinctive black body, white throat, and huge orange bill with a black tip. Toucans are omnivores, meaning they eat both plant and animal matter. Their diet primarily consists of fruits, but they also eat insects, small reptiles, and eggs. Toucans are important seed dispersers in their ecosystems. They consume fruits and then disperse the seeds through their droppings, helping to regenerate forests. Toucans have a unique way of feeding. They use their bills to pluck fruit from branches and then toss it into the air, catching it in their mouths and swallowing it whole. Toucans are social birds and often seen in pairs or small flocks. They communicate with each other through various vocalizations, including croaks, rattles, and clucks. Toucans are cavity nesters, meaning they nest in holes in trees. They don't excavate their own nests but often use old woodpecker holes or natural tree hollows. Toucans typically lay 2 to 4 eggs, which are incubated by both parents for about 15 to 20 days. Toucan chicks are born blind and naked and are completely dependent on their parents for food and care. Both parents take turns feeding and caring for the chicks. Toucans have a long lifespan compared to other birds of similar size, with some species living up to 20 years in the wild. The smallest species of toucan is the lettered arakai, which measures around 12 to 16 inches in length, including its bill. The largest species of toucan is the Toco toucan, which can reach lengths of up to 25 inches from beak to tail. Toucans are known for their vibrant plumage, which often includes combinations of black, white, yellow, orange, and red. Their colorful feathers serve as camouflage in the dense foliage of the rainforest. Toucans have a unique respiratory system that allows them to extract oxygen more efficiently at high altitudes, where oxygen levels are lower. Toucans are diurnal, meaning they are most active during the day. They spend their nights roosting in trees, often in large groups for safety. Toucans are important indicators of forest health. Their presence or absence can indicate the overall health of the ecosystem. Toucans play a vital role in controlling insect populations, especially fruit-eating insects that can be harmful to crops. The colorful bills of toucans are thought to play a role in mate selection, with brighter bills being favored by potential mates. Toucans are not strong flyers and primarily glide between trees using their wings. They are capable of short bursts of rapid flight but are generally slow and deliberate in their movements. Toucans have a specialized tongue with tiny hair-like projections on the tip, which helps them grasp and manipulate food. Toucans are often kept as pets due to their striking appearance, but they require specialized care and a large enclosure. In some cultures, toucans are considered symbols of good luck or prosperity. Toucans are protected by law in many countries, and trade in wild-caught toucans is illegal. Toucans are susceptible to habitat loss due to deforestation and urbanization. Conservation efforts are underway to protect toucan habitats and raise awareness about the importance of preserving these iconic birds. Toucans are featured prominently in indigenous South American folklore and mythology. In some indigenous cultures, toucans are believed to possess supernatural powers or serve as messengers between the human world and the spirit world. Toucans are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of forest habitats, including primary and secondary forests. The Andean toucanet is found at altitudes of up to 3,500 meters in the Andes Mountains. Toucans are often targeted by poachers for the illegal wildlife trade, where they are sold as pets or for their colorful feathers. The conservation status of many toucan species is currently listed as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. However, several species, such as the channel-billed toucan and the red-billed toucan, are considered near-threatened due to habitat loss and fragmentation. Toucans are excellent climbers and can hop from branch to branch with ease. Toucans have a specialized digestive system that allows them to efficiently extract nutrients from their primarily fruit-based diet. Toucans have a high metabolic rate, which helps them digest their food quickly. Toucans are often depicted in art and literature as symbols of exoticism and tropical paradise. Toucans are excellent swimmers and can dive into water to catch fish or amphibians. Toucans are highly vocal birds and use a variety of calls to communicate with each other. Toucans are known for their playful behavior, often engaging in aerial acrobatics and chasing each other through the trees. Toucans are monogamous and typically mate for life. Toucans are known to engage in mutual preening, where they groom each other's feathers as a form of bonding. Toucans have a specialized toe arrangement that allows them to perch securely on branches, even in strong winds. Toucans are often targeted by predators such as snakes, birds of prey, and mammals. Toucans have keen eyesight, which helps them spot food and predators from a distance. Toucans have a unique courtship display, where they bob their heads and fluff up their feathers to attract a mate. Toucans are important pollinators in their ecosystems, as they consume nectar from flowers and transfer pollen between plants. Toucans have a specialized gland near the base of their tail called the uropygial gland, which produces an oily substance used for preening and waterproofing their feathers. Toucans are known to engage in allopreening, where they groom each other's feathers as a form of social bonding. Toucans have a distinctive call that sounds like a raspy croak or a series of yelps. Toucans are highly territorial and will defend their feeding and nesting sites from intruders. Toucans are known to engage in cooperative breeding, where non-breeding individuals help raise the offspring of dominant pairs. Toucans are excellent mimics and can imitate the calls of other birds and even human speech. Toucans have a specialized stomach called a crop, where they can store food before digesting it.